Sometimes people that are getting a mortgage are going to be where they don't have credit established, or maybe they are reestablishing credit, and the lender is going to want to see alternative trade lines. How that usually works, it would be like a utility bill, Netflix, just some kind of bill that you pay every month consistently and just show that you do it. So, in this instance, I have an account. I always keep a lower balance in it that I have just bills come out, random bills. And I'm using this for this example. So we're in this checking account, and I'm going to show I have a monthly Peloton membership I always pay. So let's go for that. So you're going to go under your activity, and I'm under transactions. Here's the word. I'll write out Peloton, and I'm going to select withdrawals. And the lender is asking on this for the last 12 months. So here we go. We're going to hit search, and you'll see right here, boom. And that is all set. So then we want to print. Now, the main thing that's the most important, you want to make sure you have the URL on the bottom of the page. Lenders will not accept it without that. And if you don't see it on there, there's a good chance you don't have the print backgrounds or print headers and footers selected. Then you want to go to save as a PDF. There you go. Save it and you are done. Go ahead and send it to your lender and have a nice transaction.